Hey guys, so today I'm traveling to Kingston and I'm taking you guys with me. Arts Work Fly. These works were done by the graphic students. Each one has a different concept or a different idea. This work was done by a painting student. It was talking about a father being absent in a child's life. This work was talking about the processes that you have to go through to do an artwork or to do an art piece or to complete a work. This work was talking about the slaughtering of innocent animals to make food. This work was talking about the coronavirus and things that are happening now in today's society or today's world. I don't remember what this was talking about, but it has a lot of scary looking things. In this room felt a bit demonic, but yay though, yay though.
Where you get so much ackee from? I think I like you all downtown.
When I was attending Edna Manley College, that part was not there, so I decided to video it, get it on camera. It's a new seating area. And behind me was an art shop, but now it seems like a small gallery because I saw a few art pieces in it. Up here is where you can get a quick bite to eat. You can get lunch, snacks, etc. Over here is where the dorms are, the rooms, those who are boarding. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.